Hi, Jay again, and today we're talking all things high lift. The hue-verse high lift range was designed to support the colourist with a palette of beautiful blonding options when working with natural hair. As with the rest of the hue-verse portfolio, the high lift range is completely ammonia-free. It provides up to 4 levels of lift and is an ideal way to give your client soft blonde results, maintaining the integrity of their hair with tone that truly lasts. Our research into high lifts told us that colourists can be quite nervous about choosing the right shade, as ranges can be overwhelming and unnecessarily large. With hue-verse, we kept it simple, with a range of just 3 shades. First, we have our 12-0, a shade with just a small amount of tone designed to give you natural-looking, ultra-light blonde results. Not only is this shade ideal for when you don't want a strong tone, it's perfect for clients who have a percentage of white hair. Our 12-1 has a strong, blue-based ash reflect built in, designed to neutralise a large degree of underlying warmth. It's our go-to when working on deeper levels and on coarse hair. Lastly, our 12-7 is a violet-based ultralight blonde, designed for a soft neutralisation of warmth for a beautifully toned blonde. It's ideal when working on level 7 and lighter. The High Lift series is a great tool for any colourist, as it offers lift and tone in one simple process. It also offers a much gentler lift when compared with powder lightness and has been specifically designed for use on natural hair. High lift shades can be used with different application methods such as global lightening and in highlights.
Abby is a natural level 6, so it's the perfect base to use a high lift shade on. The high lift shades don't over lighten, and also they have beautiful lasting tone, which makes it great for saving time in the salon. I'm going to be using the 12.1 with 40 volt as a highlight through Abby's hair, and around her hairline where the hair's a little finer, we're going to be using the 12.7 with 30 volt.
All 3 shades have a mixing ratio of 1 to 2. The developer you choose will depend on the level of lift you require. Due to the nature of the shades, we recommend 30 volume or 40 volume cream developer. With 30 volt, you'll get up to 3 levels of lift, and with 40, up to 4. Processing time is 50 minutes, and always at room temperature. As the high lifts work to lighten the natural pigment in the hair, they tone simultaneously. The additional time helps to ensure you achieve the desired lift and tone. When working with high lifts creatively, or on deeper bases that require additional toning, adding a hue-verse permanent mixed tone can help you achieve a cooler blonde result. The anti-red, intense blue and silver mixed tones have been designed to neutralise additional warmth when working with the hue-verse portfolio. The silver mixed tone is ideal when working with high lifts, and your desired result is a level 10. While anti-red and intense blue can be used in this scenario too, these mixed tones are incredibly strong in tone and are best suited to creative use where the high lifts are being used on deeper levels of 5 and below. You can add up to 1.5 grams of mixed tone to 40 grams of high lift in your formula. In doing so, there is no need to add additional developer. We recommend that you never exceed this ratio, as mixed tones are formulated without lift, and doing so will affect the lift and impact your end result. The hue-verse high lift range is strong in lift and tone, which means you're never left with a raw looking blonde. Only soft results with incredible shine each and every time.